Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 22nd, 2018. First of all, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day with their family and friends. Now, let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off yesterday. Stocks did attempt to rally yesterday, and in some cases they did, but for the most part, we saw a reversal near the end of the day. The Dow finished flat, lower by just less than 1 point, but it had been higher by over 200 points earlier on. So that was a significant reversal. Apple was a big reason for it. We'll look at that chart in just a moment. The S&P 500 did manage to gain up 8 points, but again, reversing part of the earlier gains. The Nasdaq was up 63, and the Russell finished higher by about 19 points. The bond market was flat. Again, the yield on the 10-year note is at 3.064%. Crude oil continued to drop. It also tried to rally but failed. This after another report that U.S. crude inventories are now at their highest level since December of last year. So that obviously put more pressure on the market. And gold was fairly flat despite another pullback, a slight pullback that is, but a pullback for the US dollar. Now let's look at that chart of Apple. Apple was higher earlier in the day as well yesterday, but then completely reversed course and also closing lower by just 20 cents, but again, giving up those gains. Now, it's been one heck of a drop here, dropping almost 25% from their high back in early October. Hit a high of 233.47, finished the day at 176.78, a significant drop, and is now testing a significant level of support. Have a look here on the weekly. There we go. And if it does not manage to hold this level here, then we're talking about coming down to as low as 130 pretty quickly if that level doesn't hold. So this is significant. Now, one thing sort of in its favor here is if we take our fib retracement tool, let me just zoom into this area, and we take the recent lows here to the recent highs, you can see that we're coming right into that 38.2% level, right on that 20-period moving average. So the chances of a bounce here are decent, but after this type of month so far, who knows? It's anyone's guess. And again, if we give that up, I think 130 could quickly be in the cards for Apple. So we'll see how that goes. Tomorrow, the markets will close early. They are open, but will close at 1 p.m. Eastern. So about a half session tomorrow. And I guess we'll see just how nervous traders and investors are when things reopen tomorrow morning. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.